All right, my meteorologists. Now we are ready to start your assignment in Google Classroom. Here we are at video 2, telling us to please watch this teacher video to complete your weather report. You have your own report in a Google slide. That will be what you turn in to your teacher today. You will need to go outside and check the weather to complete your weather report. But be very careful with technology. If we are taking our iPad outside, use 2 hands and be extra careful. But first, take a look at our weather report. And second, watch me and how I will complete mine so that you will be ready to go do yours next. But remember, the weather right now where I am might not be the same where you are, where you're completing your weather report. So do not copy all of my answers. Wait for your turn to go outside and check your weather and complete your weather report. But first, I'll show you mine so you know what to do. I've got my tablet here ready, and I'm clicking on my slide that says Thursday. We're working in our Google slide today. Once we're in our slide, we click our pen or pencil up top so we can edit our slide. I've already watched video 1. I've reviewed all of my words. Here I am to complete my weather report. My first box says the thermometer says it's blank degrees. We talked about the temperature we read on the thermometers. It can go way up when it is hot, and it can go way down when it is cold. Today, you're not just telling me the word hot or cold, but you will need to know that number of the temperature. You can use a thermometer to read the temperature, or on your phone, you could use the weather app to find the temperature in degrees. Or you can go to weather.com to find that temperature. Wherever you find it, take your time to read it correctly and fill in, I have 52 degrees. I'm going to write 5 to 52 degrees. My next box says the sky looks like. Take a look up in that sky. We're looking for weather, not the birds. But what weather objects do you see in the sky? Clouds, rain, snow, wind, rainbows. And remember, you can change your color down here when you're drawing a picture. Today, I see lots of blue clouds in the sky. So I got my blue color. And now I'm showing what the sky looks like. There is some sunshine behind the cloud. So I've got my yellow color, adding my sun details behind the clouds. We have the temperature degrees. We filled in the sky. Let's move on down to clothes. It's a great day to wear color 2 items. Out of all of these things you see here, thinking of today's weather, what 2 things should you wear? I see shorts and flip-flops, a beanie and a jacket, short sleeve shirt and an umbrella, boots, a raincoat, and tennis shoes. I'm thinking of the clothes I'm wearing today in this weather. And what do I need when I'm outside? It's a little colder outside. You can change your colors and show what are you wearing. What should people be wearing today? I'm coloring the jacket because it is chilly here. And I'm coloring my beanie because we are wearing hats to go outside in this cold weather. Once you've colored 2 items, check it says 2. Make sure you color 2. We're moving down to precipitation. Today, precipitation is. Circle the correct image. What do we have today? I have a cloud. I have raindrops, or you can see behind there, snowflakes. Circle which one for today. I'm going to get a different color. I already showed you up there. There are clouds in the sky. So I'm going to circle this cloud. But if you don't have precipitation where you are today, if there's no clouds, there's no rain, there's no snow, you can write none, or you can just circle nothing. But we don't have precipitation every day. Check outside, what do you have, and fill in your report correctly. Our last box says, I predict tomorrow will be. Looking at today's weather, sun, clouds, cold. I don't predict tomorrow's going to be hot, hot, sunny, sunny. I'm going to look at what today's weather has and predict. What do I think will come tomorrow? I predict tomorrow will be blank. I'll get a new color. And remember, you can zoom in with 2 fingers if you need to see closely to write neatly. I predict tomorrow will be windy. W-in-d-e. Windy. Period. That's just your prediction. The weathermen and women are never really sure what tomorrow will be, but they make their best prediction looking at what today's weather had. Predict and try your best. I'm going to check that I've filled in all of my boxes of my weather report. The temperature, check, 52 degrees. The sky, clouds and sun. Do I have 2 items colored for clothes? Precipitation, I circled an image. And finally, my prediction for tomorrow will be windy. Here, you have completed your report. It's time to click Save. Be patient until it comes back to your slide that you've saved your work. Exit out. You can check your arrow up that you do have an edited slide. That's your work. If you'd like to open it up, you can always double check. Did it save today? Great. And you can practice giving the weather report if you'd like. Hello, boys and girls. My name's Miss Otis, and today's weather report says it is 52 degrees with clouds and sun in the sky. It's a great day to wear a beanie and a jacket. It is very cloudy, and I predict tomorrow will be windy. Thank you for listening. Practice giving your weather report for someone at your table team or someone in your house. You are the meteorologist today. Just make sure that you turn in when you're done. Oh, click this X up top. Blue button says turn in. Yepers, I want to turn it in to my teacher. Once it's gone, bravo, bravo. Great job today. I'll see you tomorrow for more weather fun. Adios, amigos.